Okay, because what exactly am I using a bathing sponge for? So I cut my hair. If you haven't caught up with the video of me going to the barbering salon, this is your chance to catch up. Okay, so I'm going to use this sponge to style my hair. Okay, and I'm supposed to actually use a foam sponge, this one, but I haven't bought it yet, so this is what I'm going to improvise. Okay, so to start with, I've moisturized my hair. I use Kuza. This is it. I've actually mixed it with chebe oil and then chebe butter, so that's why you see that one side is very liquid and one side is very solid. So to start with, I'm going to moisturize my hair with water. Hey, it's only water that's in this bottle anyway. Hey, okay. And then once my hair is more damp, I'm going to just comb it a little bit with this afro comb. It's so easy. Aww. How do I look? I look like you're 60 years old. Ajay. But I can actually hold it in braid though. You guys, the wonderful things and the miracles I'm about to do with this hair. I don't think any of you is ready. So now that everything is well combed, I'm going to use Eco Styler. I'm using it to slather on like nothing is worrying me in this world. Ooh. So I'll just use the tail of the comb to fetch, put it in my palm, wrap, and then slather it with my hair like that. Another dip. Wrap. Very generous with the gel. So this is how my back is looking like. So once I have it like this, I'm going to use the sponge to begin to, I don't know the term, like something like this, okay, in circular motion. So I'm starting from one side. Can you see? Okay. I've actually cut my hair before in 2018, 2019. And I used to do this with the sponge. So this was something I'm new to at all. So just go in circular motions like this. Coming to the front. If you don't want the curls, that is fine. But I feel like it comes out better. Your hair looks more stylish than just leaving it like that. Have you seen how it's turning out? Yay! Okay. So I'm coming to this side as well. Have you realized that I'm not changing my direction? It's still in anti-clockwise. If your hands feel tired, you can take a break. But I mean, I'm used to moving my hands on my head so many times. So I'm concentrating on my back. So at this point, I'm so excited. Just look at that. So if you are satisfied with what you are seeing, you can pause and then, go about with your day. But I want it to be more curled, okay? So I'm still going to continue, especially at the front here. All right, so at this point, I think I am good. Okay. So I'm just gonna pat a straight line here, okay? So that it becomes more stylish. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna do something like this. Depending on how long you want the pattern to be, you can keep going until you reach your limit. Now what? So Just shaping the front. And basically this is how everything is looking like. You see, this is the quickest hairstyle you can do if your hair is very short like mine. So I'm going to do my makeup. I'll be right back, guys. So do stay tuned. See ya, and boom, ladies and gentlemen. A little commotion for the makeup, a little commotion for the hairstyle, guys. This is the results. So let me know what you think. If you have short hair, will you be doing this? Is this your kind of style? I'll be bringing you more styles so do stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Do follow me on TikTok and Instagram for other amazing content as well. Those places are charming, okay? So join your family members there, okay? So I'm going to see you soon. Bye. Mwah.